Hi there! In this video, we will learn how to add Stripe as a payment method on Store.link. Stripe allows you to accept payments through credit and debit cards, and it also supports Link, which provides customers with a faster checkout experience. To begin, open your Store.link dashboard. Go to the Settings menu, then open the Payments tab and select Add Payment Method. From the options, choose Stripe and click Connect with Stripe. This will open the Stripe Connect page. Simply log in with your Stripe account credentials. Next, provide the required information such as personal details, business details, and bank account details. After completing each section and reviewing your details, select Agree and Submit. Once everything is submitted, you will be redirected back to the Store.link dashboard. Back in your Store.link dashboard, select the gear icon next to the Stripe option. The connected status will confirm that the account has been linked successfully. For additional configuration, the Manage Account on Stripe option is also available. Finally, let's preview the store to confirm the setup. We'll add this item to the shopping cart and proceed to checkout. At this stage, Stripe should appear as an available payment method, and with that, Stripe is successfully integrated and your store is ready to accept payments. If you have any questions, please visit storelink.help.center.